You were created in the image of God. But what does that really mean? Test your knowledge of the Imago Dei, humanity's divine design, and discover how God's image is reflected in you. What does Imago Dei mean? Image of God. According to Genesis 1:26, humans were created in the image of God. The image of God refers primarily to spiritual, moral, and rational capacities. What distinguishes humans from animals? Being made in God's image. Why did God create man in his image? To represent him on earth. How did sin affect the image of God in man? It distorted but did not destroy it. Who restores the image of God in humanity? Jesus Christ. Christ is called the image of the invisible God because he perfectly reveals God. Believers are renewed in knowledge according to the image of Christ. The image of God gives humans authority, value, and purpose. Being made in God's image enables fellowship with God. The image of God applies to both men and women. The image of God in man is the basis for human rights and dignity. After the fall, man still bears a corrupted image. Through salvation, believers are restored to God's image. Man's dominion over creation reflects God's rule. The image of God includes the capacity for holiness and righteousness. The spiritual side of God's image points to man's soul and relationship with God. The image of God includes rationality because God reasons and reveals. Human emotions reflect God's image because God has emotional expression. Human creativity mirrors God's image in artistic and moral creation. Man's work reflects the image of God by participating in creation and order. The Trinity reveals that being made in God's image involves relational love. Exercising dominion responsibly shows God's authority through man. Every human, regardless of condition, bears the full image of God. Worship is possible because man can know and love God. The image of God supports human equality. The Spirit restores God's image by grace and transformation. Salvation restores man to full communion with God. Christ's life shows the perfect image of God. The image of God motivates love and service to others. Sin distorts God's image by separating us from Him. The image of God affirms every person's inherent worth. The doctrine of the image of God shapes Christian ethics. Seeing others as God's image leads to compassion and justice. The image of God is reflected in family unity and love. Work glorifies God when done in excellence and honesty. The image of God enables man to create and cultivate culture. Environmental care reflects God's image in stewardship. God's image calls believers to uphold justice and mercy. Even in death, man retains the dignity of God's image. The resurrection restores the perfect image of God. The church displays God's image through unity and diversity. God's image gives humanity moral responsibility. Male and female together reflect full image of God. Transformation into God's image is the goal of sanctification. In glory, believers will fully reflect God's image. Can the image of God be destroyed? No, only defaced. Being made in God's image means accountability before God. How should believers treat others who bear the image of God? With respect and love. You are more than flesh and bone. You are made in the very image of God. Though sin distorts, Christ restores. If this quiz reminded you of your divine worth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message so others can remember who they are in Him.